And so for your question on the 5 Whys template, there are several formats you can use. This is one particular style. It's interesting. It shows you the name and the date. What's the abnormal condition? Why did it occur? Was it required? Yes, no, method, etc. But the more preferable form is this example. It's a 5 Whys worksheet, starting with define the problem, why is it happening, why is that happening, and so on. And you don't have to stop at 5. You go as far as you can until you get to the final answer. Now, the big thing is you should be able to go backwards and go upward to follow the same chart. So let's look at an example. First of all, let's define the problem. The problem is there's a reduction in production output. Why is this happening? One machine was not functioning properly. Well, why? A drive belt was out of place. Why was the drive belt out of place? The machine did not receive its scheduled routine maintenance this month. Well, why didn't it receive its routine maintenance this month? No service provider was scheduled to perform the maintenance. Why was no service provider scheduled to perform the maintenance? The company is negotiating a contract with a new service provider and one has not been contracted yet. Well, why hasn't one been contracted yet? This is important. We need to keep our machines going. Purchasing management has not settled on an agreement. Well, there's the bottom line. Now, that's a failure in the Department of Management. So now, though, we should be able to go backwards. Purchasing management has not settled an agreement. Why? The company's negotiating a contract with a new service provider and one has not been contracted yet. Why? No service provider was scheduled to perform the maintenance. The maintenance did not receive its scheduled routine maintenance this month. A drive belt was out of place, and that's why our machine was not functioning properly. So you should be able to go forward and backward, and again, you can go from 1 to 10 to 20, as many why worksheet questions you have as needed. So for more examples of how to do a proper 5 Whys, do a Google search on the web. Thank you for watching this, and have a great day.